Fir'aun, in his time, it is mentioned that for over 100 years he did not even have a headache. For over 100 years, Fir'aun, he was so fit and healthy that he did not even have a headache. And that made him rebellious from the bounty that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala had given him. That Allah ta'ala gave him all the ni'mats, made him the king. And Allah ta'ala gave him all the bounties, made him a ruler. And he was ruling over the Sibti and the Qibti and the Banu Israel. But his rebellion became such that he started thinking, then I am the Lord. What did he say? Ana rabbukumul a'la. That I am your Lord, you have to now bow down before me. Forgetting his past, forgetting who he was. Allah Ta'ala describes that Allah Ta'ala describes in Surah Al-Fajr about Fir'aun that Kalla innaha tagha. Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala says that وَفِرْعَوْنَ ذِي الْأَوْتَادِ الَّذِينَ تَغَوْا فِي الْبِلَادِ فَأَكْثَرُوا فِيهَا الْفَسَادِ فَصَبَّ عَلَيْهِمْ رَبُّكَ سَوْطَ عَذَابٍ. That don't you remember Fir'aun, ذِي الْأَوْتَادِ, that they had all experiences, they had all the equipments, they had all the tools, they had all the forces, all the armies. الَّذِينَ تَغَوْا فِي الْبِلَادِ, and that allowed them to rebel, and that allowed them to cause chaos and fasad upon the earth. فَصَبَّ عَلَيْهِمْ رَبُّكَ سَوْطَ عَذَابٍ. And then a time came when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's lash and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's whip was unleashed. When Fir'aun was drowning, he recited the kalima thrice in one breath. حَتَّى إِذَا أَدْرَكَهُ الْغَرَقُ قال آمنت أنه لا إله إلا الذي آمنت به بنو إسرائيل وأنا من المسلمين. That I believe in Allah. لا إله إلا الذي آمنت به بنو إسرائيل. I believe in the Lord of Banu Israel. And وأنا من المسلمين, and I am also from the Muslims. By then it was too late. That now, are you accepting now when you have seen it Akhirat in front of you, you have seen Jibreel in front of you, you have seen Mikael, Israel in front of you, you have seen the angels of punishment have come in front of you. Now you are accepting. It is too late, my dear respected elders and brothers. The same question Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala asks insan again and again, that وَلَا تَحْسَبَنَّ اللَّهَ غَافِلًا عَمَّا يَعْمَلُ الظَّالِمُونَ إنما يؤخرهم ليوم تشخص فيه الأبصار مهطعين مقنعي رؤوسهم لا يرتد إليهم طرفهم وأفئدتهم هواء. Many people ask this question, that what is happening? Where is the help of Allah? Where is the nusrat of Allah? Where is the rahmah of Allah? Where is the mercy of Allah? Allah Ta'ala is indeed merciful, my dear respected elders and brothers. Allah Ta'ala's rahmat is there, it is our eye needs to see it.